BNB slips below key support as traders brace for Maxwell upgrade and Mideast Shockwaves. The drop comes ahead of the Maxwell hard fork, which is expected to bring in a number of improvements, including transaction throughput. BNB has fallen to $635, weathering a choppy market as traders brace for the Maxwell hard fork and rising geopolitical risk in the Middle East. The token's resilience comes as daily transactions on the BNB chain have surged from 8 million to 17.6 million since mid-May, according to DeFiLlama data. Scheduled for June 30th, the Maxwell fork will reduce block times from 1.5 seconds to 0.75 seconds and bring in a series of improvements. It's expected to improve transaction throughput and user experience. Investors are also reacting to mounting global uncertainty. Crude prices have surged more than 10% over the past week as markets weigh the possibility of the United States entering the Israel-Iran conflict. A shutdown of Iranian oil exports or closure of the Strait of Hormuz, Reuters reports, could drive oil to $130 a barrel, analysts at Oxford Economics warned. That could potentially push U.S. inflation to 6% and derail hopes for rate cuts this year. In that environment, risk assets like BNB can see a sell-off as investors move to risk-off positioning. BNB is trading within a narrow range between $635 and $646, with volume confirming a solid support base at $638 as confirmed by a spike in volume. Repeated attempts to break through resistance near $644.5 to $645 failed, suggesting sellers are defending that zone, according to CoinDesk Research's technical analysis model. A volume burst of 4,222.99 tokens earlier corresponded with a rapid drop to $638, reinforcing that area as a support level that has now been breached as volumes tapered off for the weekend. Disclaimer: parts of this article were generated with the assistance from AI tools and reviewed by our editorial team to ensure accuracy and adherence to our standards. For more information, see CoinDesk's full AI policy. CoinDesk Analytics is CoinDesk's AI-powered tool that, with the help of human reporters, generates market data analysis, price movement reports, and financial content focused on cryptocurrency and blockchain markets. All content produced by CoinDesk Analytics undergoes human editing by CoinDesk's editorial team before publication. The tool synthesizes market data and information from CoinDesk data and other sources to create timely market reports, with all external sources clearly attributed within each article. CoinDesk Analytics operates under CoinDesk's AI content guidelines, which prioritize accuracy, transparency, and editorial oversight. Learn more about CoinDesk's approach to AI-generated content in our AI policy. Francisco is a reporter for CoinDesk with a passion for cryptocurrencies and personal finance. Before joining CoinDesk, he worked at major financial and crypto publications. He owns Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and PXG above CoinDesk's $1,000 disclosure threshold.